Hello everyone, welcome to Kiran's Commerce Tutorials. Today we are studying Management Accounting 2019 QD examination 2 marks questions and answers. Let us start with the first question. Mention any two features of management accounting. The following are the features of management accounting. First one, it is advisory in nature. Second one, it is directed towards the future, that is concerned with the forecasting. Second one, write any two advantages of management accounting. The following are the advantages of management accounting. First one, it helps for proper planning. Second one, it helps for comparisons. Third one, mention any four techniques of management accounting. The following are the techniques of management accounting. First one, financial planning. Second one, standard costing. Third one is marginal costing. Fourth one, fund flow analysis. Fourth question, what are marginal costs? Marginal cost includes all of the costs that vary with the level of production. Marginal costs are usually direct materials, direct wages, direct expenses, and variable overheads. Fifth one, calculate BEP in units. They are given selling price rupees 100 per unit, variable costs rupees 60 per unit, then they have given fixed costs rupees 80,000. By using this information, we need to calculate break-even point in units. In order to calculate this break-even point in units, we are using total fixed costs divided by contribution per unit formula. Fixed cost is given in the problem. Yes, of course, it is given in the problem, that is 80,000. Contribution per unit, it is not directly given in the problem. For that purpose, we are using another formula called contribution per unit equal to sales minus variable costs. Sales is given 100 per unit. In that we are deducting 60 per unit. Finally, we will get contribution per unit equal to 40 rupees. So fill all the details in the formula. Finally, we will be getting 2000 units as a break-even point in units. Sixth one, calculate margin of safety from the following data, and this question is appeared in 2018 question paper. Actual sales is given 5 lakh and break-even sales is 3 lakh. So by using this two information, we are going to calculate the margin of safety. Usually the margin of safety is the difference between actual sales and break-even sales. Therefore, margin of safety equal to actual sales minus break-even sales. Actual sales is 5 lakh. In that you are going to deduct 3 lakh rupees as a break-even sales. Finally, we will be getting margin of safety equal to 2 lakhs rupees. Seventh one, give formula to calculate gross profit ratio. So it is a very simple one. Gross profit ratio equal to gross profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. Eighth one, calculate stock turnover ratio. They have given average stock rupees 40,000, then they have given cost of goods sold rupees 1,20,000. By using this information, we are going to calculate the stock turnover ratio. Stock turnover ratio equal to cost of goods sold divided by average stock. Cost of goods sold is directly given 1,20,000 divided by average stock is given 40,000. If you are doing the calculation, you will get 3 times. Therefore, stock turnover ratio equal to 3 times. Ninth one, give the meaning of current assets with 2 examples. Current assets means assets which are realized within a period of 12 months. For example, stock, debtors, bills receivable, cash, etc. 10th one, mention the types of cash flows. Mainly the types of cash flows are divided into actual cash flows and notional cash flows. 11th one, give 4 examples of non-operating expenses. The following are the examples of non-operating expenses. First one, depreciation. Second one, goodwill written off. Third one, transfer to reserve. Fourth one, preliminary expenses, etc. 12th one, write any two objectives of cash flow statements. The following are the objectives of cash flow statements. First one, it helps to plan for optimum utilization of funds. Second one is it discloses the reasons that lead to movement of cash balances. So these are the questions which are asked during the KVD examination 2019. Go through this one. Thank you.